Very good morning to one and all. Today our next topic is there, a section through a leaf. This is the diagram of transverse leaf. Meaning of that of a transverse leaf is there when we have to see the internal structure of leaf. Okay, we have to open the upper peel of the leaf and that we have to see the internal part of the leaf. That is a section. How many sections are there in the leaf and what are the function of that internal sections located in the leaf when we have to pull out the upper layer of the leaf. So, a section through a leaf. What is the function of their internal section? So, leaves has a several tiny pores-like structure on its lower surface and that is called stomata. We already know that the minute tiny hole located on the surface of the leaf, that is called stomata. This is called stomata, through which leaves absorbs carbon dioxide from air. Okay, when stomata open, the captures of carbon dioxide through the stomata and transfer into the leaf for the process of photosynthesis. Water is transported to the leaves through hair-like pipeline from the root, and that is hair-line pipeline is called xylem and phylum. There are two pipelines there, xylem and phylum. So, these two pipelines transfer food as well as water absorbed by the root, and it can be conducted by the stem from the root and carry and reaches into the leaf for the photosynthesis. This pipeline is help to transfer the water and food. This pipeline name is there, phylum and xylem. These pipelines are present throughout the plant, i.e. from root to branches. Pay your attention. This pipeline means the pipeline is connected from the root and it can be extend towards the branches of leaf. Okay, तो पूरी जो पाइपलाइन है वो water and minerals absorbs करती है. There are two pipelines. One pipeline is absorbs water and minerals from the root and carry, and it can be conducted by the stem from the root and reaches into the branches of tree because it can be extend towards the leaf. Another pipeline is also transfer the food and reaches up to the leaf. So, this pipeline are known as xylem. Xylem is a type of tissue. Okay, xylem is a type of tissue. This pipeline are known as xylem. There are two pipelines. One is phylum, second is xylem. Xylem is type of tissue. Chlorophyll, a green pigment, is found in green leaf. Okay, and that is why due to this we know the color of leaf is green. Chlorophyll absorbs sunlight and gives energy. Chlorophyll is a one type of chemical green substance present in the leaf, and due to capture the sunlight, so there is a chemical reaction between them and produce energy. Chlorophyll absorbs sunlight, carbon dioxide and water and convert them into the carbohydrate. So, here what is the function of carbohydrate and oxygen? So, carbohydrate is sometimes help in the leaf to produce a food, to make a food. Carbohydrate is used to food and oxygen is eliminated. Okay, just like told you, carbohydrate is used as a food for the plant because it's help in the function of photosynthesis, and the oxygen is emitted. Emitted means it can be obtained as a form of product after raw material is combined. Which raw material is combined? H2O plus CO2, sunlight plus chlorophyll, that 4 raw material C6 combined, and C6H12O6 plus O2. So O2 is emitted after this process. This whole process of making a food by plant is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis normally we study from the class 4 and 5 that we know. So understand it properly. This is a structure of transverse lip. Okay. It is already given in the textbook, but these parts are not given in the textbook. What are the section? Okay. Internal lip के internal sections कितने हैं? That we have to know. The internal part of our body: heart, stomach, intestines. Okay, kidneys, lungs. These are our internal organ. Same over here. In the lip, there are so many sections which they can do a different type of work. So this is the structure of transverse lip. What is the meaning of transverse lip? When we have to take any type of tree or any type of lip, and when we have to cut it by the blade, when we have to pull out the upper layer of the lip, when we have to peel it. The internal structure, when we have to put it in the under the microscope after putting one solution, and when we have to see the transverse lip section, this type of functions we have to see. This type of location we have to see. So यहाँ पे how many parts are there that we have to see, and what are the function of these parts?